All right, everybody, you guys are the best. All right, so VISL up huge this morning, okay? We're talking about a tune of nearly 300% at this moment. Be careful. This name is either going to go insane to the upside or it's going to get faded really hard. All right, CEI is slightly down, oh, not even slightly down, they are down. 750 is going to be the designated upside target in the near term, okay? I'm going to be watching this name very early. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. CEI, a little bit of volume so far. 108,000 in the first 10-20 seconds. VISL at over 400,000 shares right now and ready to explode. Let's see where we go here, ladies and gentlemen. VLRX is also a name we want to keep an eye on. Really good volume. Lower float profile. So far, a lot of names have been soft. Let's give it a few minutes here.